Innovative filtration system. The innovative activated carbon fiber filter, when compared to a conventional carbon block filter, adsorbs impurities faster, instantly improving the taste of tap water by reducing up to 99% chlorine. A complete water system. The active bottle is designed to work with two interchangeable filters to transform your fitness bottle into an adventure bottle or vice versa. Easy replacement. Visual indicator lets you know when to replace the fitness filter. Replace the filter every 4 weeks or 52 gallons. Good for the environment. Lower your carbon footprint and help contribute to a healthier planet by reducing your use of disposable bottles. Fitness filter designed with active carbon fiber can help removes up to 99% of chlorine, improves taste of all sources water effectively. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome for traveling. Update. Heads up for everyone. Yes, these are still amazing, but I've realized something. You'll be burning money if you use these as your daily. I've gone back to a Brita pitcher for at-home hydration. While these are amazing for on the go and travels, if you use them as your primary source of drinking water, they last well under 3 weeks. I start tasting the tap water through these around 2 weeks. Just FYI. These have come in clutch for traveling and saving me money on drinking water. Any potable tap water becomes clean tasting water instantly. I use these at home, at the gym, for that nasty tasting water fountain, outdoors, and traveling. I just wish the filters lasted longer and were cheaper, but its lifespan is expected for its size. 10 out of 10 would recommend.